So this is it. I have a bunch of this thin stock from other projects and I want to do something with them. And as you might have seen in other videos, I do like the Japanese aesthetic. And one of the things that maybe you don't know about me, I mean, probably you don't know about me, is that I finished landscape design in college. And one of the classes was Ikebana, and I was thinking of maybe I can combine some kind of sculptural wood elements in a way that it might look like a Ikebana. Maybe if that works, I will not be broke anymore. I'm kidding. Let's start with the project. First thing is, because this is not square, it's kind of rectangular, and I want to make the stems of the flowers. I'm gonna make them probably like 25-30 centimeters. I don't want them to be perfectly round. I don't want anything to be perfectly geometric, because in nature nothing is perfectly geometric. So I'm gonna try to give it like a little bit of human imperfection. Okay. The best thing of having this ugly green mat is that it's easier to measure your stock. Otherwise it's very ugly. 33. 30. So first thing, I need to make this somehow square. I'm gonna use a small plane. Let's see if this works. Okay, that's good enough. So now that I have a bunch of this squarish stock, I want to make them rounder, but I don't want them to be perfectly round. So I have this thing from other project in the past, and basically it's a 45-degree jig, and it's just easier to put stuff and take out some of the edges. I have this small one, and with this one I'm just gonna add some more randomness. If I can read the fibers now. Okay. Yeah, that's great. So my idea is to make some kind of balls here. And I'm gonna try to do them with this small, not that expensive Proxon lathe. I don't know if you can call it a lathe, but it's mini lathe. I never worked with the lathe so much, so I mean almost at all, but that's good enough for my needs, because I'm gonna texturize it the hell out of it. So maybe you see the small round. I'm just gonna go and make a texture. I think that this looks great. That is pretty cool. So now I made a larger bowl, which I think it looks great. I love the texture, and now I have 3 bowls. So for the next step, what I want to do is I made this thing a while ago, and it's walnut. It's not that difficult to do. With a gouge you just scoop away until you get this pattern, and I thought that this looks kind of wood earth texture. Maybe raise this up and do something like this. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna cut this as straight as I can. Kind of like the straight edge, so this is how I'm thinking of doing it. And the balls are gonna go through it. They're just gonna keep it like that. Yes. It broke. I was not happy that I thought that this is too big. Maybe this is too small, but I'm gonna go with this one. I think I broke it when I removed the feet, but it doesn't matter because I wanted it smaller, and maybe this will be good enough. I love how it has a gradient. I don't know if you can see the gradient. Oh yeah, you can see it. Like it goes from dark brown to a more lighter brown. Okay. One. Like that. Oh. Another one here. This one, yes. So this is it. I put some glue there. It's not yet cured, but once it's cured, I'm gonna flat the feet a little bit by putting some sandpaper and just try to make it more stable. It looks very, let's say, architectural. I think I achieved my goal of mixing Ikebana and some kind of sculptural idea. If you have someone special in your life, I think this would be a nice gift. It's not that difficult to do. Like always in every project, it's sometimes it's not difficult to make, but it's difficult to create something that is pleasing to the eye, as the dimensions and the textures and the colors. I think that's the most difficult thing to do. Overall, overall I am pleased with it, and I think I'm gonna do more of these things because I enjoyed it. So I hope you liked it. I hope you get some inspiration from it, and I will see you in the next video.